Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can pick font style on this device. First of all, just hold your device's display and access Xtheme over here. Now you need to select Discovery at the bottom right corner and click on Font. After that, just set up the best one for you by clicking on it. I will go with Jingle Bell Rock, selecting Download and then clicking on Apply. Now you need to choose OK in this pop-up, and as you can see after that, style of my text has changed. If you wish to go back into your default font style, you can do that by accessing Settings, scrolling down and choosing Theme and Lock Screen. Now click on My Fonts, choose Default and tap on Apply. Then tap on OK. If you wish to delete one of your downloaded fonts, you need to hold it from here, select this bin icon at the top right corner and tap on Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!